I'm Monique with the City of Sarasota Parks and Recreation District, and I'm here to show you a fun craft you can do with your golf balls at home. Here today, I'm going to show you how to do the Ladybug, and here are a couple of steps. So the first one is you want to draw your face, because you want to leave the whites in the eyes. The second one, you want to fill it in. You can have some fun. You can do some crazy eyes or bigger or smaller eyes. Have fun with it. And I am doing these with permanent markers. You can also do them with paint. The permanent markers actually dry a lot quicker than you would do paint. And then for the red, what I used a bigger marker for the red just to save some time. And from here, I'm going to show you the next step, which is step number 4. Take my black marker, and it's actually really easy. You're just going to do a line from here, and you can go down as far as you want, and you can make it as thick or as thin as you'd like. Fill it in. And then from here you can add any kind of, any number of dots you'd like. So on this one I chose to do 6, so 3 on each side. These are really cute to do. You can put them around your house and do a scavenger hunt with them, or you can put them in your garden. They also make really great gifts. And here's the final product. Thanks for joining me today. We hope you join us every day on social media for tips, contests, and more.